I'm just prepping here. Prepping my Jeep. Made some stickers for her. Went out yesterday. Saw a little damage. The tree tried to get in our way. We conquered it. But here you put this badass sticker I made on for it. Just gotta get the window cleaned. We're gonna see what this asshole is doing. Gotta change out and put some new lugs in because some asshole didn't know how to change a tire right. The tire fell off in the trail.
Let a friend change the tire and it didn't work.
That's what happens when you let people work on your Jeep and you don't check their work. Now you're stuck doing this by yourself.
Yeah, and a camera guy.
Hey, I'm doing other work.
I know, he was supposed to be here already fixing this shit himself, so I didn't have to fucking do this.
Alright, we'll set you guys up here. Hopefully you can see that good. I don't know how I'm going to do the edit, but probably. Alright, it was kind of scary. I didn't know you were dropping the vehicle. I was right next to it.
I was under it. What are you crying about?
Stickers on. We'll come back to that when they're all dry. Got more heat on the way. Heat's out right now. It's decently cold out. It's not that bad out, but it's probably 20 degrees or so. It ain't 50 degrees. It's freezing rain. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, yeah. Why don't you put the drum on there, buddy? New studs are in. Parts are falling out. Zero Fox given. $350 mud Jeep project. Like butter. Come around. Get the good angle.
Stud on there.
Damn. Well, we'll see if they come out when we twist her down. Got a couple more stickers I'm putting on the Jeep. These ones I'm not going to use Windex or anything because they don't really matter. I want the window one to be perfect, but making our own hashtag. Jeep as fuck. New studs seem like they're a bit short, so we're just checking the other ones to see if we're in the same situation here on both sides. Got the heat back finally. Blasted.
Oh yeah.
Fixed a little tree damage.
Yeah.
Drivers up in here and
Gotta make the hood last. I ain't worried about that.
a little
light.
better.
That shit already worked.
Alright, so we gotta move this light. We gotta close the hood, try and get it figured out. Oh, that's so sketchy one-handed. There we go. Now come all the way up against that beam with it if you can. Bam. Ingenuity.
We need to do something with that other one too and give us more life.
So the new hook fitment, kinda had to beat it out a little bit to get the pin to fit back in there, right? Well, it was breaking off this bullshit right here. So, gonna have to figure out a way to glue the washer thing on there. Looks like somebody's already figured it out.
Yeah, I'm about to hit the right spot.
Go right into that black plastic. Yeah.
I tried, I missed.
That's fine. That'll hold it. Custom hood pin mounts.
Back on it?
Yeah, about to peel this sticker off. See how she goes. YouTube! Here, take this camera. Oh, where's my thing, man?
This thing? This is his thing. This is what he calls his thing. There's your thing.
Still wet. Yeah, way more.
Better just peel that
Still
motherfucker.
wet underneath it, motherfucker.
Just peel that
No, I need the, oh, this right here.
This motherfucker.
This faggot. Alright, so he's not getting it, so switch to a different alternative.
Yeah. Now rev it.
I can see it coming out. Literally right there, I can watch it come out. It's just slow. Oh, there you guys seen that bend that time. I got it. Pull it back a little bit. Yeah. Pull the, you want the inside blue flame to just be touching.
It's good.
Cutting a little bit of the wheel well out. Cut the bump stops off.
It's a big mom's house. I need a chain to pull that shit out.
Slow. Just a little bit. Alright. Alright, slow. Slowly. Back up a little bit and give it just a little nudge. Back up a little bit. Let me readjust it. Alright. Alright. Oh, man, it's almost perfect.
Straight as hell.
Back up. A little tiny bit of a yang. Just a little harder than that. One more of them. Alright.
Yeah, you're good.
Back up a little bit.
That's good.
It's so straight now.